Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing? Grade 2? Good. That's really great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you and welcome to your numeracy class. So in today's class, we will be doing another topic, some other exercises basically in revision, and that would be related to multiple topics. Okay. And as I have told you in our last class as well, that the revision topics or the exercises which are in your book are not only from the second term or this final term, but are from the previous term as well. So you will be preparing these topics as well. Okay. Now, who is going to tell me what we did in our last class? Yes, what was the topic? Counting in tens. Excellent. And we practiced exercises of it as well, in that we are just supposed to count the things in the form of tens, right? And our answers are like this: 10, 20, 30, 40, and so on, right? Why? Because we count in the form of tens. Now, in today's class, the exercises are related to multiple topics. So we cannot just give it a one title. That is why I have not written the topic on the board. But we will be starting with placing values, right? Well, this we did a lot of exercises related to placing values as well when we were in our last term. So tell me, how many of you remember what does placing value means? Excellent. Placing value basically means that in mathematics, there are special values which are assigned to the numbers and we write them according to that, right? Or we add, subtract, all of the functions that we perform according to those values, right? Let's say I gave you two numbers. The first is 321 and I want you to add it into 22. Now this is a 3-digit number and it's a 2-digit number. So how did you come to know that how can we add it, or what's the best way to add it? So there can be a possibility that you write 22 over here, right? And then you add. And the answer turns out to be 541. But is this the right method? No, it's not, right? So how can we come to know that what's the right method? So in order to get that, first we will be writing the values: ones, tens, and hundreds. Then 3 comes at hundreds place, 2 comes at tens place, and 1 comes at ones place. Now similarly, if we talk about the placing values of this, so this 2 will come at ones place and this at tens place. Now in this manner, when we add this, the answer is 343. And can you see that there is a large difference between 541 and 343, right? And why? And this is wrong. Why it's wrong? Because we haven't write the numbers on their exact places according to their values, right? So placing values help us in doing all these things, all the mathematical functions of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, whatever you are doing, not only in this, but there are other also exercises in which placing values helps us, or it basically acts as the core of mathematics, right? So now what I'm going to do, that you are supposed to write the place values of the digits in the numbers, okay? Now let's say if we talk about the first number is 295, and if I ask you to write their place value, so you will be writing it as 200s, 9 tens, and 5 ones, right? It would be written like this. Okay, what if I ask you the second number is 702? Can you tell me the values of this? 700s and 2 ones, because we do not have any tens, right? What if I ask you the next number is 395? 300s, 9 tens, and 5 ones, right? So it would come out to be 395. Got it? So in this manner, we write the values of the number. Now, the next exercise in your book, okay, I want all of you to please open page 115. The next exercise in your book is that there is a bird, and the beak of the bird is always pointing toward the smaller number. Now, a pair of numbers are given to you, and you're supposed to choose the one which is smaller number, okay? So who is going to tell me which is the smallest one in the first pair? It's 299. Excellent. Okay. Who is going to tell us the smallest in the fourth one? Yes, Vasim? 325. Very good. Okay. Aliza, you tell us what is the smallest one in fifth one? 850. Very well done. Okay. Who is going to tell us the smallest one in sixth one? It's 610, right? So in order to check that which number is smallest, what we do, we just first look at their, let's say if these are the two numbers and you are supposed to select which one is smaller. So you will first look at these digits, the first digits. Which one is having the smallest one? This one. So this means this is the smallest number. So simple, right? Okay, let's look at the next question. In the next, it says that circle the 1-digit numbers, tick the 2-digit and cross the 3-digit. Now there are numbers given to you. Some of them are 1-digit, some of them are 2-digit, and some of them are 3-digit. The rules that they have provided you, or the guidelines that they have provided you, are as follows. Let me write them down for you. It says that let's say this is a 1-digit number. The 2-digit number is 32 and the 3-digit is 399. Now 1-digit means that it is having only 1 digit in it. It has 2 digits, so this is a 2-digit number. It has 3 digits, so it is a 3-digit number. According to them, you are supposed to put a circle around the 1-digit number, a tick on the 2-digit number, and a cross on the 3-digit number. Got it? Circle on 1 digit, tick on 2 digit, and a cross on 3 digit. Okay. So who is going to tell me what we will be doing with the first number, which is 820? We will put a cross on it. Excellent. Okay. What about 9? We will put a circle around it. Excellent. Okay. What about 88? We will put a tick on it, right? Okay. What about 99? Again, a tick. Excellent. What about 999? A cross on it. Why? Because it's a 3-digit number. Okay. What about 56? A tick on it. Why? Because it's a 2-digit number. Excellent. Okay. Now turn the page and open page number 116. On this page, the exercises are related to ascending and descending order. And also there is an exercise of writing the missing numbers. Okay. So let's first do the one which is related to missing number. In order to write the missing numbers, what we will be doing, we will just see the pattern. Okay. Let's say over here, the very first blank, which is before 141, in order to find that, you're supposed to look for the number which comes before. What comes before 141? It's 140. Then 141, 142, 143, and 144, right? Similarly, look at this one. 259, 260, 261, 262, and 263, right? Now do the next two remaining by yourself and let me know what are the answers. Yes, all of you are done. Okay, great. Now the next exercises, exercise number 6 and 7, are related to ascending and descending order. So before starting that, I'm going to share the screen with you and let's watch an interesting video related to that, and then we will do the exercise. Okay. So show me a thumbs up if my screen is
ascending and descending.
Okay, good.
Order. I'm climbing the stairs. The numbers are going up. That is ascending order. Now let's see. 1 goes up to 2, to 3, to 4, and to 5. The numbers are increasing. Now let's see what is descending order. Wow, it's difficult to climb the stairs down. The numbers are going down. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 8, 7, 6, 5. Anna climbed the boxes down. Now Sarah is going down. 4, 3, 2, 1. So that was ascending order and descending order.
Okay, so now we have revised it together. Descending means going down and ascending means going up, right? This is the difference between ascending and descending order. Now let's do the exercise together. The first exercise is you are supposed to write these numbers in ascending order. So ascending means that you will be starting from the smallest number and then you will move toward the highest one. So what is the smallest number in this case? 98. Excellent. What comes after that? 190. Very good. What comes after that? 214. Excellent. Then 790. Very good. Very good. Okay. Let's look at the next one. Which is the smallest one? 93. What comes after that? 100. Then 129. Excellent. And then what comes after that? It's 895, right? Excellent. Okay, look at the fourth one. Who is going to tell us about the fourth one? It has all the 3-digit numbers which are having the same digits in it, right? So the first number would be 111. Then 333. Excellent. Then 555. Very good. And 777. Excellent. Okay. So all of you are done up till now? Okay, great. Now let's move forward and do the practice of descending order. Now descending means going down. This means that you will be starting from the highest number and then you will move toward the smallest one. So the highest is, which one is highest in this case? The first one. 499. Very good. Then 490. 451. 419. And finally 49, right? So we started with the highest number and then we moved toward the lowest one. Okay. Who is going to tell us about the third one? Yes, Abdullah, you tell us. 876. 867. Very good. 675. Excellent. Then 655. And finally 568. Very good. Excellent. Okay. And let's move toward the last exercise of today, which is about write the numbers that has 6 ones, 700s, and 2 tens. So a number which has 6 ones, 700, and 2 tens, that number would be, you first write the placing values. Okay, first make a column like this. So write ones, tens, and hundreds. Now they say, now what is the hundreds number? 7. Which is the tens number? 2. Which is the ones number? 6. So the number is 726. Now similarly, look at the third one. Which is the ones number? 3. Which is the tens number? 7. Which is the hundreds number? 8. See, they have written it in a wrong sequence just to confuse you, right? But what you are supposed to do, see, again, now placing value is helping us. We have first written the values for us. In this way, we cannot get confused. And now you are just supposed to write the numbers according to their position and you will get the right answer, right? Okay. So how was it? You enjoyed it? So we have together, revised a lot of topics today, and they are all related to, yes, the first term. Okay, now what is your home assignment, that you are supposed to do the practice of all of these topics, and let me know if you have any confusion. That was all for today. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Until then, take care and Allah Hafiz.